Hi, hello. I am Chitra here, Goodwill Hair and Beauty Association President. First of all, thank you so much, SK Beauty Research Products. So, Cosmera and Rika Waxing and Keratin Treatment and Mr. Barber is the wonderful product for good result for these products. So, this seminar I am waiting for Chennai. Then, really proud to this moment. Last 1 week, so all members very happy. So that time COVID-19, beauty industry, full staff, all work, all members very stressed going now. That time, SK Beauty Resort products and doing the 1 week online seminar. We all are lot of relaxing that moment. Thank you so much, Subham sir. Thank you so much, Jagadish and Dolly, Sarika, Swapna, Mercy. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. I am Lakshmi, General Secretary, Goodwill Hair and Beauty Association General Secretary. Hi dears, how are you? First, I have today came to talk about who took us classes previous week about SK Beauty Resources products. I am going to thank all of the members who took classes for us. First of all, I have to thank our Goodwill Hair and Beauty Association President Ma'am Chitra Ma'am to giving us this such a good opportunity during this quarantine period. And again, I am also thankful to Sir Subham Veeramani sir, the CEO of SK Beauty Resources. First day his definition was very good about his products, his brand products. And again, Dolly ma'am, who took classes about us, facial kits, all those things. Her definition and class method therapy was very easy to understand us, and it was a good time spent with her with those 2 days. We are really happy about that. And again, Jagadish sir. About Jagadish sir, I have wanted to tell about a thing that the man has magnetic power. Those who control with his voice within a seconds, all the members, really we are addicted to his voice. This is true. And again, I really thank to Jagdish sir and also Mercy. And again, Tamil Nadu technician Swapna ma'am, who arranged these classes and talked between ma'am and to sir to get us better product knowledge about the products. For example, waterless pedicure, manicure, and again facial kits, monodosa kits, and such the products like the facial kits and keratin therapy, and also spa creams, all those brands. I also thanks to Swapna ma'am and also Mercy Ganesan, a best translator we got those days. She took very patience of time to explain us all the products details. Thank you so much all of you for giving us It is such a nice product, knowledge, and all those things. Thank you, sir.
Hi, this is Renuka. I am a treasurer of Southern. I would like to share my thoughts about the classes. Before that, I convey my gratitude to our President Chitra ma'am. I have truly appreciated the course of yours that I have took part in. MD Subham sir, Dolly ma'am, Swapna ma'am, Jagan sir, Sarika ma'am. Thanks for everyone. Your class was amazing. We have learned a lot of things from you guys. You guys are the best I have ever had. I would to say all ton of thanks for you all. We are looking forward to have a lot of seminar classes for us. Thanks for a giving wonderful opportunity. We will surely give our support from Goodwill Hair and Beauty Association. Thank you.
Hi, good evening. I would like to thank Chitra ma'am and SK Beauties for arranging the wonderful online classes. And thank you for Sarika ma'am, Jagdish sir, and especially इतना अच्छा से हम लोगों को ट्रांसलेशन कर दिया तो सपना मैडम जी को सबके लिए थैंक्स एंड जगदीश सर को स्पेशल थैंक्स बोलना चाह रही हूँ क्योंकि जो ड्रायर्स और सीजर्स के बारे में एक्सप्लेनेशन करने के बारे में और हेयर कट्स के इस चीज़ के लिए इस सीजर्स चाहिए कि अब बोलने की वजह से इतना नॉलेज मिला था कि सीरियसली हेयर कट पर अभी जान लगा के कि सब सीजर और सब कुछ हेयर पर ट्राई करना उसका उतना अच्छा लगा उस वीडियो क्लास. So thank you sir, thanks for everyone to are conducting a classes for our group. Thank you.
குட்வெல் ஹேர் அண்ட் பியூட்டி அசோசியேஷன் ஜாயிண்ட் நேஷனல் லேர்னிங் பேசுகிறேன். இந்த லாக்டவுனில் வந்து நம்மளுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லான ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் நம்ம பிரசிடென்ட் சித்ரா மேடம் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அவங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து கிளாஸ் எடுத்தால் நம்ம சுபம் சார், ஜெகன் சார், டாலி மேம், சாரிகா மேம் அண்ட் சொப்னா மேம், மெர்சி மேம்க்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப தேங்க்யூ.